My people, e be like say na cutty na dey reign for this social media now. Editorial don say come out. E say she cut her. People, let's talk about this Joy and Editorial together, okay? Do well to join this beautiful family. I just see my sister Editorial. I just sleep, wake up. I could say, may I check who they zuzu for line? May I check who they win now, who they run now for YouTube? That I just see Editorial and her husband that they play love. My husband cut off. Your husband cut off. Diana Kwame, her husband shave her hair. Your husband cut. Which that I'll put am now. For Naija, person they carry hair for 3 months. People they carry hair for 3 months for Naija. That's not be all obodo ibo they carry long 3 months. If I ever see somebody do my hair, I carry my hair for 6 months or how many years I want to carry. A person talk to me, see Editorial. She carry her hair say 3 months. See. 3 good months. Me I dey carry hair 3 months. Sha, I dey carry hair 3 months. Yeah, so I dey run now. I dey carry her. Then I call me that one. Her husband is off to shave her hair. That one she don't feel shout. She don't feel Yes, so my people, and this one I get to talk. Editorial and her husband, they play love, they just lose their hair. No people lose it, they just cut the hair. He say my husband cut it. Her daughter do they play it. They say hi, hello my love, how are you doing? Yes, my beautiful sister Joy. I want to use this opportunity. I first see your video last week, Monday. I make that video with yellow shirt. Maybe if I say I will put, I look her like say. I don't feel say you be small pikin. I look at like say you need
I just see her
how
video,
to put it. I
then
don't know
she
how
dey
to
cry.
put it. Then that video just did there. Again today, this early morning, I see your video. Early morning, I be towards in the afternoon around 12 o'clock, something like that. Night I see that your video. I watch and say sorry if I offend you. If you say anything you not like for my channel, still please tell me, okay? As you dey talk, try if you speak today your mouth, see through. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I don't have right to tell you. But my beautiful sister, let everything end. Fix your content. You know, say all those things when you dey break come outside. As I watch your video from the beginning, you get the stage when you reach, I stop her. The one when you first drop last week, you sit down like say person they arrest you. As you take do, I do that video later. I double check. People bunch on you. One person they say una know whether wetin they go on for Nigeria. Wetin they go on for Nigeria? She not dey fit before. She not dey eat before. But that thing when she do am because Editorial. Me personally, I do video. I say Editorial, if you arrest her, make she release you. But behold, thank God I not fast forward to publish that video. You know, as if you arrest me, forgive you. Make she release you and you face your business. E no even reach how many days you put video when you for put long hair. My sister, you dey. In fact, this opportunity when God, the umbrella when God just put for your head, and not say that human be put umbrella for your head. Please use it mature. Use it. Wait till I tell you. Use it mature. Yes. All those things when you do say people they say and you they do pity wetin you they see for life. My sister, you are not adult if you never reach 18. If you don't reach 18, you are adult. You not be teenager again. You are not a baby. If you don't know how to run YouTube, just people don't love you. People eye don't dey on you. People don't naturally love you. You think say easy to get 400 subscribers when you get? You think say easy? The best advice wey I just dey tell you now, face your YouTube channel. About you dey do face. Now you say you know they do face like say make people make they donate for you. You know they do, but all those things when you dey do, how you just carry your hand like say that they beat you that day. You carry your hand like say that they beat you now. You do your face like say police arrest you. Till now, I don't see that your the way that your video say you go come out because you say and when the time reach you go come out. Now you don't come outside. You dey now small pikin dey read dey worry you, sha my sister. I don't know what to say. I not come here to insult you or to say what you they do not right. E right. But person when really understand this YouTube, if that person dey close to you and they advise me you keep it, may you keep it like this. That person not they advise you well. Okay? Wait till you go just do now. They do your normal. You they do hair. Try they film your hair. Try they film your vlog. You still do video. May you know say they watch you. When they wash water leave, the water leave. People wash her. People wash her. Eh? People watch am. It is said to get 400 subscribers. You know where you go. You know the insult wey you fit receive. You know the people when you just get am easily. Now for you to make use of it. Make use of it. Sometimes we won't get 1,000 subscribers. We don't get that 4,400 organic subscriber. Please, okay? Now two things I say I want to tell you. If you want make video, sorry, my old day, my body, but that speed, you don't get belly. You don't get belly. I beg, okay, love. I love you. Try. No wait. They go live. You can go live to build your watch hour. You need your watch hour. You need a subscriber. You need that. You need your watch hour. Leave editorial alone. Editorial don't already. Where editorial they like you. I'm not just editorial. I see person like she when she cry or when she hope or when she they cry with. See face your life, okay, love. Face your life. YouTube you go make am. You dey, I don't know how to put it. You will love her and you will make it. Forget all those big YouTubers. Hey, editorial. No, if you not talk about editorial, no, forget her. Let people see your hard work. Let people see what you can deliver. If not the talk or you they pretend like you they act. Like now for my eye, it used to be like say you they cry when I watch and this afternoon around 11:12. You still they cry. Throw away all those things. Dust your body like goat when they pour water. When you do body, the water throw away put for ground. I'm not saying you be goat too, okay? I just give example. Dust yourself. Okay, my sister, dust yourself. This will not be to batch your, I take you as my junior sister. Okay? I know which other I get junior sister when you your age, but I take you as my nephew or my niece. Dust yourself. Sis, what I tell you, dust yourself. Tell people this is what you can deliver. And by doing what? They do live stream or vlog or wait again. Making hair. You sabi make hair. Go check Ex-House Family TV. I dey make hair for there. I dey do some vlog. I dey put some activity. Just like that. Okay, talk of you when you don't already get editorial. Roof. YouTube algorithm don't even say you editorial they are big YouTuber. E dey your name. Your name dey with her. His name dey with you. Once you drop video, then they blast her. Why can't you make use of it? Why can't you show your life when you say you don't want to talk? You say you don't want to talk your life. And you say you know everybody they pass through. Why can't you make as you they go work, as you they do everything, as you maybe the one when you love to show, you show her. Why can't you do it like that? Okay? You will make it. I beg you. No worry. The editorial when they look today, she is still suffer. Me when I talk to you today, I see suffer. Before you see Africa child, when she or he not suffer. In fact, I'm not sure say they reach half quarter of the one when he suffer. Now, like all those people like $2, Dangote, Koto, people money, people when they take our money, now they will tell you say their children not suffer. You not see us when our eye red passing fire. We suffer, my sister. Forget people when even the America say some people say you the America, they want my sister. Those people in the America, if they tell you their story, you go hail. So like many people, they don't want to suffer when they suffer, make their neighbor suffer. As you still talk, say you don't wish your neighbor to suffer, your enemy to suffer. My sister, this is opportunity when in day your palm. Make use of it. Leave editorial and her husband when they play their love to cut their hair. Hey, love want it. I beg. May not let me. May not gonna do me. Tenderi. My people. And this one I get to tell Joy, please. May not know insult and I see young girl, you know. You know, say many people, and I make me, I dey vex for Instagram. Wetin Joy dey now? The life when Editorial dey live, I believe say she like her. The life when many young girls, but she no know say people before they get there, they climb a lot of ladder, a lot of mountain. You see, but she no know. For me, may una give her advice. Say Joy, try climb ladder. You will get there. You will climb that up. And if na look am, she get am to climb. She just still get am. So first talk for the other one. Joy, my love. Joy, my sis. Hey, that name is special to me. Oh, when you just the BS. So See am, make use of it well. Okay, find any YouTuber when you know say e go help you, or go live stream, do everything. Okay, make you monetize your channel so that make you dey catch out. Stop all those bending neck, bending neck, bending neck. Na this one I get to tell my people. Wetin una get to talk. I'll leave you now for my next video. Please subscribe if you never subscribe. No, no insult her o. No, na advise her like a junior sister. Okay, so that may know where she go stand. Na so I say am o. Na so I put am o. Na ciao.
E don cast, last, now everybody go to breakfast. Shayo.